Owen, are you splashing in the rain? Liam, are you going to splash? Splash. Go splash in the rain. Good job. Owen, your turn. Splash. Splash in the puddles. Oh, you're going to get up the seat up by yourself? You can do it. Go up the step. You can do it. Almost. Uh-oh, the balloons are tied up to your balloon. Oh, we got another splasher over here. Splash. Owen, splash in the rain. Good job. In the puddle. Splash in the puddle. Is it raining? Puddle. Is it raining? Raining. So here comes Brother Liam. Splash in the puddle. Good job. You guys are going to have wet feet. Wet feet. Puddle. Splash, splash, splash. Yeah, okay, let's go inside now. Mommy's getting all wet. Are you guys wet? It's raining. Okay, guys. Come on, inside. Inside. Puddle. I know, Liam, it's a puddle. It's fun. Okay. Good job.